That was a workout. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I kept on telling myself that I would do like this wedding prep vlog, but there wasn't really anything that seemed like vlog worthy. I actually started a vlog the day that we went bridesmaids dress shopping, but it wasn't really enough for its own video. So you know what, actually rewind. We're gonna go back to bridesmaids dress shopping, and then we're gonna come back to today. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. For those of you who are new, my name is Steffi Drew, and I am with my bride tribe. If you are new, if you're not following me on socials, I'm getting married soon. So the countdown's on. It's a lot sooner than I would like to admit, and I have a lot to do. So we're finally gonna go get some bridesmaids dresses, hopefully. Try on some bridesmaids dresses. This is my sister Sam. This is Belinda. She's my bestest best from forever ago. And this is my sister Lauren. Oh, you'll remember me from the birth video. Oh yeah.
She's already famous.
I'll put the birth video up in the corner if you want to watch it. If you don't know Belinda already. Anyways, we're gonna go inside. Our first stop today is Fitzroy Rentals. It's a rental place because, I mean, if we can find dresses that are not as expensive, and not everyone needs a gold dress, we're looking for gold dresses. Anyways, we're gonna go see what they have and see how it goes. Wish us luck. Bye. Yeah, actually, if you want to put for YouTube, I really like this.
Yeah.
I think it's, I mean,
like
it's very long. Like I would need like, but I think it would look gorgeous. Editing stuff here. Excuse the super abrupt cut. We didn't really find much that worked for everyone, so we went out and grabbed food. Practicing my wedding smile. It's only $16 and you could have abs of steel. Yeah. So hot. Made a bit of a pit stop, but we are off. We have an appointment at another vintage shop, which is where we're off to now. And fingers crossed there are some options, because right now we have only one and we have 2 more girls, so. Editing stuff again. I just wanted to include a real quick note. Space Vintage was very cute. They have 2 locations in Toronto. They're not like a bridal store, they're a vintage shop, and it was obviously prom season while we were shopping, and there were a lot of girls shopping for prom dresses, which I think Space Vintage would be great for. I have not been to the Kensington Market location, but we did make an appointment, and I kind of gave her our mood board for what we were looking for. I said I was looking for gold dresses, and they pulled some dresses. We waited a long time for our appointment, even though they said that we had an appointment. When we got there, we waited for, I would say, half hour, 45 minutes at least, because there were girls shopping. They did not have a room set aside and ready for us to try dresses on. They also pulled a couple dresses, but while we were there were girls trying on gold dresses, which I kind of thought maybe preemptively, because there weren't very many gold dresses, they would have those set aside. So it was a very cute shop. I don't think it was great for what I was looking for. And also size, I mean, it's vintage clothing, so you get what you get, and size options are limited. I would say it's really great for prom dress shopping. If you are younger, you are looking for prom dresses. Very, very hit and miss. They would need a lot more time curating, which we did give them an extra week. We pushed our appointment, but there just wasn't. I had a very specific kind of idea. They didn't have it, and the appointment kind of felt like a waste of time. But the shop is cute. Welcome back. Today's date is June 11th, I think. I don't know. I feel like this entire month is a bit of a blur. My wedding day is fast approaching, and I'm doing everything myself for the most part. So I've had a lot of small things to do and get together. And I think everything is coming together, but there's a few components that I need to do. And today we are building the arch kind of arbor flower arrangement for the ceremony. I'm going to my friend's place and she's going to help me construct it. And hopefully I have an inspo photo, insert inspo photo here. Hopefully it turns out, and I hope I have enough materials. I'm like cautiously optimistic, but also a little nervous that it's just gonna be a big fail. But we're gonna stay on the cautiously optimistic side and hope for the best. And hopefully I have a really amazing finished product to show you. But I've got to get on the road so I can get to her place. She has more space than I do in terms of like building it. So I'm gonna do that, and then she can store it until the day because I simply do not have this space in my apartment. So anyways, let's hit the road. All right, I've arrived, and I was gonna do like here's our materials, and anyways, we've already started. But these are the frames for what we're building on. This one's a little smaller. We're working on the big one right now. We have flower foam or flower muds and chicken wire and twist ties. And so this is kind of like what we're starting with. It was a bit of a slow start, but I think we're figuring it out, and we'll update. Oh, and then all our flowers are like littered kind of here. So hopefully we have enough, and we'll update as we go along, but feeling optimistic still. One column done. It looks pretty good, and then hopefully we can cover it up. We also left a little gap here just for transportation. This is where it connects. So there's like the base and then the top section. So hopefully that's a good enough gap that we'll be able to like disconnect it when we have to transport it. All right, we have 2 arches, 2 piles of flowers. Say hi, Twiggy. And now we get to decorate and hope that we have enough. I don't know if you can tell, but we're both just covered in green filth. We are the picture of beauty and grace. Okay, today is Wednesday, the 19th? I don't know. My wedding is on Saturday, and I'm going to finish this arbor. I'm getting over a cold. I did my hair, so the red, it's like a warm kind of rich brown with some like little peekaboos going on here just to like break it up a little under my bangs. So we're fresh for the wedding. I need to go do this arbor. I recently just started working 2 new part-time jobs, but going into it, I told them that I was getting married and I needed this week off, and I'm so glad that I did, because I'm just doing all my loose ends this week. Like yesterday was hair, today is arbor. Monday I think I had something. I did a bunch of running around because I needed some material and some ribbon to finish a few things. I need to finish the bouquets. I need to make boutonnieres. I'm a procrastinator, but I feel like I'm more focused under pressure. So Yeah, and tomorrow's nails, and then Friday is our like liquor and wine and all that kind of stuff. So, and then whatever else I forgot. Which is, I don't know, hopefully not much. Oh, and I ordered our pizzas today. We're doing some late night pizzas from a pizzeria down the street. Yeah. Anyways, let's go finish this arbor because it needs to be done. I have all my flowers and greens right there. Pretty good progress with what I had, but alas, it was still not enough, so we just made another run, and if it doesn't cover, if this doesn't cover everything else, there's some in here too, then it doesn't. This is the rest of the flowers that we have, and that's it. That's all. We're getting it done. Alright, I'll get a better video and photo and whatnot once we get it installed on Saturday, but we did the thing. We added flowers to the back. It's not quite as full, but just a little bit more coverage. If you go up close, you can see some holes and whatnot, but we did a thing and I think it's beautiful, and it's about as good as it's gonna get, so that's why I'm getting married. As far as my wedding prep vlog goes, didn't actually show any of the prep from yesterday, but it is Saturday, June 22nd, 2024, and we are getting married! Oh! It's raining outside. I've covered my like pin curls all with Belinda's shawl thing, shirt, to try and protect it so they don't get wet, and then like, because I don't think I can dryer. So we're gonna go unload our first load of things, and I'm hoping for the best, staying positive, because we're gonna get married outside. We're going to get married outside. That is happening.